Tracy Tree.
Hey, we're starting our day. We're headed out. We're gonna just go to some places and check out some locations for a future, what do you call it? Future filming gig. So I'm just like sitting here eating my apple and I look down and here's how my outfit is and I'm like, oh my gosh, you were just gonna let me walk around like this? Had my shirt up so that I could breastfeed Hazel. So I gotta watch myself. So we're going to the mall. Also, Sean needs some new shoes. Sean needs some new socks. He has holes in his socks and he has had the same shoes since 1995. So we need to get him some new shoes.
Because I wore a size 15 shoe in 1995.
What year can you estimate that you've had those shoes since?
Last year.
Not the black.
Yeah.
Not the black shoes I'm talking about. I'm talking about your basketball shoes.
I don't know.
Sean either wears a pair of dress shoes or basketball shoes that he's had since high school, which was over 10 years ago.
Yeah, that's true. No, these I got after high school, the ones that I wear a lot.
I don't believe that for a minute. We're here. They've got no size 14 high. So we're out of here.
Shoe shopping for me is like online special order only. It sucks.
And then you can't even try it on, so.
Yeah, to see if it feels good.
And I'm nursing a baby.
And she's nursing a baby. So we're having no luck finding tennis shoes for me. Underwear, socks, and jeans for Kristen is all we got today.
I got 2 pairs of jeans.
She got a discount, so I let her get 2. Plus I was out all day yesterday, that's her gift.
Oh, I usually get what I want, so I didn't think I needed any gift for letting him go out all day.
And now we're headed to the Rainforest Cafe. This is the coolest store in the whole town. It's super dark in here, but we're eating at the Rainforest Cafe. Hazel's first time. She's amazed by all the fish and the foliage above us. It's beautiful. Whoa. What was that, Hazel? Burger. It is beastly. It's huge.
And I got fish tacos and vegetables and beans. No cheese. She sucked out the straw. You want the straw?
Hazel doesn't like bottles. She wants to jump right to drinking out of a big glass or drinking out of a straw.
She's sucking it.
You figure it out?
She did. What do you think about them?
We have to get home as quick as possible because Justin Bieber's in town.
We gotta get out of the traffic.
There's gonna be a ton of traffic. One last diaper change for Hazel and then we're hitting the road. We're back home now. Hazel's sleeping in the back. We don't want to wake her.
We're calling it a night. We spent a lot of money today.
Too much, but socks, underwear, and socks.
And jeans. And Rainforest Cafe. And Hazel's waking up.
Say bye, baby. Say bye. We'll see you tomorrow. See ya.
Bye.